Tiago here, welcome back, or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, making videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, it's very hard those days, and you need to step up your production, so you will need a gimbal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the Hohem iSteady X-E, a gimbal, a very small gimbal that will help you making better videos for YouTube or TikTok if you wish. I'm gonna be talking about all the specs, price, you name it. So without any further ado, let's start with the price. The Hohem iSteady X-E kit has a price tag of £89 in UK. For the US, the price tag is $89. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Before I get into what the gimbal can do and the app that works amazingly well, let's have a quick look at the gimbal itself. This gimbal is compact and lightweight. On the box you have the gimbal, a short USB-C charging cable, a small tripod stand, and a carrier case. The gimbal weighs 0.6 grams. It's a very ultra lightweight solution for videographers on the go, but it does not feel cheap in any way. At first glance, the plastic build may appear to be cheap and fragile. However, it's the opposite, as it is surprisingly sturdy and durable. We have a 2000 mAh battery inside of the handle, capable of providing an impressive 8 hours of runtime. Talking about the battery, the iSteady X-E has also a fast charging USB-C port, giving you a full charge in under 2 hours. On the front of the gimbal, you have 5 LEDs that indicate connection and the modes. After that, you have a joystick and the 2 buttons. The right one is the shutter button and the left one is the function button. On the left of the gimbal, you have the zoom slider, and on the right, the power button and the USB-C port charging. At the bottom is where you can screw the small tripod provided or any other tripod. At the back, you have a rubber material to help with the grip when you are holding the iSteady X-E. Pairing your smartphone with the gimbal is a simple process, and the mobile app is straightforward to navigate to. The Hohem Pro app is one of the best, if not the best out there. You can truly take full advantage of the gimbal with this app. This app will give you access to various creative shooting templates and features. One of them is the active tracking. With the gesture control, you can easily start or stop the video recording with a simple hand gesture. But please see some of the examples next. As you guys can see, it follows you everywhere. So if I move this way here, it will follow. If I move to this side, it will follow. It's really quite good. And if I stand up, let's see if it follows me. Here we go. The tracking is so good. Look at this. Right, so you got the tracking on, and let's see. Look at this. It follows me everywhere. The tracking, oh, we lost it. Here we go. And even if I'm far, as you guys can see, it still follows me. This is really good. The tracking is one of the best. There we go. Let's pick it up. There we go. So one thing that I would like to use this gimbal is for TikTok. But if you want to do TikTok, this is perfect. It follows everywhere still. The tracking works like in this position to do the TikTok videos. No problem whatsoever. And then if you want to do a different video, if you want to shoot for YouTube, you just press once and it goes back to horizontal video, so they can do the YouTube. So once TikTok, once for YouTube, for example. And yeah, so this is a very simple gimbal. It can go with you everywhere and it works without any problems. It's not expensive, and if you use the camera app, you got the tracking, and the tracking works perfect. It doesn't have a problem whatsoever. It never folds you. And you can see on the screen, let's see if I can show you guys on my camera here. And you can see on the screen, it has a green square. So do you know they are always tracking you with the green square is there. And so if you put it down, as you guys can see, and it keeps following you everywhere, every single way. And even if you come far, as you guys can see, I'm quite far now, it's still tracking you. If you go there, it still tracks you. Hohem has one of the best apps on the gimbal world, as you guys can see. The gimbal does include a magnetized field light that provides you with 3 distinct color temperature settings and varying brightness levels. It is magnetically attached to the phone stabilizer, makes it easier to shoot video on low light situations. This light can also be used on your camera if you wish, as you can see on my Sony camera. Let's see a real-time example of the light in use. And as you guys can see, so I'm in my room, so I have the window covered and it's quite dark, but as you can see with the light, it's quite good. The image is quite good. Let's see if I take the light and see how the image will go. As you guys can see, it's still okay because I'm filming with the iPhone, so it's still okay. But as you can see, you can get a bit of grain on the image, and with the light, a lot better, I will say. For TikTokers or YouTubers, this is essentially a very affordable option. Not only you can swiftly move from selfie mode to filming subjects while they are moving, the compact design is the house of one of the best technologies out there. The iSteady 7.0, a simple system that provides you ample motions across all axes, palm, row, and tilt, up to 320 degrees each. All of this means that the gimbal is capable of handling abrupt motions and swift movements without compromising the stability for producing a high-quality video content. Overall, the Hohem iSteady XE smartphone gimbal is one exceptional device that offers a perfect balance with user-friendly versatility and excellent performance with a great price point. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the Hohem iSteady X, a little gimbal that works without any problems and will help you to make videos for YouTube or TikTok. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.